Hello everyone, with the newly launched transferring feature, you can transfer the ownership of your existing profile to another Hidemyacc account. After the transfer, the profile will no longer be in your account, and you will not have the permission to continue using this profile, unless ownership is transferred back. To transfer ownership, select one or more profiles you want to transfer, select Transferring. Enter the recipient's account email. Enter your Hidemyacc password, and then press Confirm. After that, those profiles have been transferred to the receiving account. Please note some cases that cannot use this feature. Hidemyacc version 2.0.83 and below. Trial account, both sending and receiving accounts. The receiving account has reached the profile limitation. The receiving account is a share package. So I finished the tutorial on the transferring feature, transfer ownership of profiles. If you have any questions, feel free to contact our support team via Facebook, Telegram or Skype. Thank you for using Hidemyacc. Good luck!